Today we will be T-calling a load. In order to begin T-calling a load, please enter the trailer number. After you enter the trailer number, you can see the load has been dispatched and it is in D status. Type in the load at location and hit L, then enter, and then type in the bill of lading and the remark L for loaded and F5 to update. You can see now that there is a line that says Dearborn, Michigan loaded. Type in the T-call location and put in T for type. In the remarks, you can just write, type in dropping in portage, and make sure you change the route line because the load is not delivered in Sauk Village. It is left in Portage, and then the address and name, just put roll and hold Portage and then hit F5 to update. Now you can see the driver, Josh Harrison, is in A status. That means he is available to be dispatched on his next load. The load in order history will show as D for D status. To remove the load off of the trailer, you need to go into the Customer Services menu and choose Preload Orders and Trailers. Type in the order number here and preloaded trailer, type in none and F5 to update. That will remove that load from Kip's trailer and then he will be able to be dispatched on another order. Let's watch that again. Check call screen. You're going to type in the trailer number. TRLR is for trailer number. Anytime you manipulate a load in the check call screen, it needs to be done through the trailer number for the most part. There are a few exceptions. We can see that he is dispatched. The original place is Dearborn. It's going to Sauk Village. I'm going to type in where he's getting loaded. Dearborn, Michigan for location. Type in the city code. That the driver is in D status, and there's his route line. He went empty from Portage to Dearborn, Michigan, and then he's going to Sauk Village, Illinois. The initials are the last person who created that record. So TS8 is tester 8. This was made in the test environment. So we're going to type in the city code, Dearborn, Michigan, L, enter. Type in the bill of lading, make sure it's in there. And a remark, it needs to have a remark. And F5. Now that the order is loaded, in Dearborn, Michigan, we can go ahead and T-call the order in Portage. We want to make sure that the driver is in Portage. So we're going to type in location. If the load is being T-called in another location, you would just type in that city code. So whatever the city code is, where the load is going to be left, type that in. And then a T for T-call. Remarks, put in a remark stating why the load is being T-called or what it's being T-called for. So dropping in Portage. And then drop customer. Roll and hold Portage. You can add that as well to be more specific. Note the route line says Dearborn to Sauk Village. We need to change that. It's important to change the route line so when this order is dispatched on a different driver, they will be loaded in Portage and then they will take to the final destination in Sauk Village. If that is not changed, then the next driver will not be able to be loaded. We can see that his status is in A status and this driver can go on to his next load. However, the order will remain in D status when that order is looked up to be put on dispatch for another driver. We have to go back and clear his trailer by using, under customer service, preload orders and trailers to remove this load from his trailer so this driver can be loaded on his next load without having any system errors. So you'll go into preload orders and trailers. Which on this screen is option 6. Type in the order number and then key in none to blank the previous assignment. Hit F5 to update, and now his trailer is cleared. There will be no issues when the driver Kip Harrison is dispatched on a